Good morning. So my name is Navin, working as an assistant professor in AC department. So this semester we are handling IC applications lab. These are the list of experiments. So according to the JNTU syllabus. So first one is inverting amplifier, non-inverting amplifier. So second one is the adder and subtractor circuit. I am explaining second experiment, adder and subtractor circuit. So coming to the adder and subtractor circuit, so generally these all our experiments are conducted by using the IC741. So IC741 consisting of 8 pins. So in that 8 pins, so these are the 8 pins, pin configuration of IC741, also called as the operational amplifier. The first pin of the IC is input offset. So this is the first pin, and second pin is the inverting terminal, that is indicated as a minus, and third pin is the non-inverting terminal, that is indicated as a plus symbol, and fourth pin is the minus VEE. So fifth pin is the offset null, and the sixth pin is the output terminal, and seventh pin is the plus VCC, and eighth pin is the no connection. So in this IC741, out of 8 pins, in practically in our laboratory we are using only the 5 pins. So in that 5 pin, these 2, 3 are these are the input terminal, and the sixth one is the output terminal, and 7th and 4 are the power supplies. So in these 5 pins, so we are giving that second pin as an input, we are giving the second pin as an input, and the third pin we have to connect it the ground. This is nothing but inverting, and non-inverting nothing but the third pin we are giving the input, and the second pin is connected to ground, that is the non-inverting terminal. Okay, now this is about the symbolic representation of this IC741. So here fourth pin we are using the minus VEE, that is the regulator power supply DC 12 volts. At the same time seventh pin we are using plus 12 volts. This is same as the regulator power supply second channel. Okay, now then coming to the inverting adder circuit. So what is mean by adding is nothing but two input voltages are added, that is a V1 plus V2. So nothing but here we are discussing the inverting adder. So in that inverting adder we can give the AC supply to the inverting terminal. So that's what we can call it as this is the inverting adder circuit. So this is non-inverting terminal is connected to ground. Okay, na? So here V1, V2 we are giving the practically function generator input. Okay, na? Then non-inverting terminal is connected to ground, and fourth one is minus VEE, that is the minus 12 volts. This is connected by regulator power supply. So here output pin is the sixth pin, so we are connected to CRO, and seventh pin also same regulator power supply, there is a plus 12 volts. So coming to the resistors, in this circuit we have to use the 3 resistors, that is R1, R2 and RF. This is the feedback resistor. That feedback resistor connected in between the output terminal to the inverting terminal. These are the biasing resistor, that is the biasing resistor is nothing but R1 and R2. So here all values are we are taking the 10K resistor. So coming to analysis of this adder circuit, so we can apply the KVL at the input side. Okay, now we are applying the KVL at the input side. So that is we are giving the I1 and I2 and the IF. These are the 3 currents in the circuit. Okay, now we are applying KVL. Sum of the currents is equal to 0. Sorry, we are applying the KCL. Okay, now sum of the currents is equal to 0. That is I1 plus I2 plus IF. Here IF is nothing but the feedback current. This feedback current is output to the input terminal. So that is nothing but 3 currents are reached at a node VB. That's what I am writing, I1 plus I2 plus IF is equal to 0. So in order to solve, I1 plus I2 is equal to minus IF. So in order to find out the I1, so we are taking, in order to find out the I1, we have to calculate the voltage, that is V1 minus VB. So why we are taking V1 only, because of we are starting input voltage at the V1, the current direction also in this direction, that's why I am taking V1 minus VB by R1, same I2. So in this I2 also we are taking V2 minus VB by R2, that is equal to minus, same as it is. So minus of V out minus VB by RF, that is a feedback resistor. So due to the virtual ground concept, VA is equal to VB is equal to 0. This equation is substituted in above equation. Then we are getting V1 by R1 plus V2 by R2 is equal to minus V out by R out. So finally we have to find out the output voltage now. So we are finding out the output voltage. In order to simplify this equation, R1, R2, this is R2. So R1 and R2 and is equal to RF is equal to R. Okay, now this is R only. Why we are taking R1, R2, RF is equal to R? Nothing but in this circuit we are using all are the 10K resistor. That's what I am taking. R1 is equal to R2 is equal to RF is equal to R only. So in order to substitute the R in the above equation, finally we are getting output voltage is equal to minus of V1 plus V2. Okay, now minus of V1 plus V2. So here we are getting minus half. So why we are getting minus means in the circuit we are giving the AC supply to the inverting terminal. Inverting terminal is nothing but minus terminal. That's what finally we are getting the output voltage is equal to minus of V1 plus V2. So in order to find out the practical values of the adder circuit, we are giving the V1 is equal to 2 volts. Here V1 is equal to 2 volts and V2 is equal to 2 volts. So what is the final formula in inverting adder? So V out is equal to minus of V1 plus V2. So V out is equal to minus of 2 plus 2. Finally we are getting the minus 4 volts. Okay, now finally we are getting the minus 4 volts. Here the minus represent the inverting voltage. Okay, now minus represent the inverting voltage. Coming to the output waveforms of the inverting adder circuit. So we are giving 2 volts to the inverting adder circuit. Only we are giving the 2 volts, but we are getting the output is a minus 4 volts. How to find out the minus 5 volts? You have to see the input side. This is the plus. So we are getting the output is here negative portion. Okay, na? That's what the output voltage will be the minus 4 volts. Okay, na? This input is the plus. That means output will be inverted to the as comparing to the input signal. This is the plus and this is the minus. So this is about the inverting adder circuit. Coming to the practical connection of the inverting adder circuit. So here we are 3 resistors are using. Okay, na? Here 3 resistors are using. Theoretically also we are using the 3 resistors. Okay, na? Practical and theoretical both are we are using the 3 resistors. The 3 resistors are the 10K resistors and 10K resistor and 10K. So here also we are using 10K resistor. So this is the function generator. First one we are giving the input signal, and second one is the regulated power supply. We are giving the DC supply to the this inverting adder circuit, and third one is the CRO. We are see the output at the CRO. So coming to the input. So these 2 resistors are commonly given 2 volts. In this the voltage will be divided, 2 volts entering to this R1 resistor and 2 volts entering to this R2 resistor. So you are giving the feedback resistor. Okay, now feedback resistor connected in between the second terminal to the 6th terminal. So anyway we have to collect the output. So we have to collect the output also the 6th pin. Okay, now so we have to collect the output also 6th pin. The output will be displayed on the CRO. So coming to the output waveforms. So this is the output waveform. That will be the 4 volts. See, we are giving the only 2 volts, but we are getting the output is a 4 volts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now 4 volts. At the same time this is the inverting adder. Na? So the input signal will be in the positive portion and output signal will be the negative portion. So we have to see these. Okay, now this input is a positive portion, output will be start on the negative portion. At the same time the signal will be amplified. So input is given 1 and 2 volts only. We are getting the output is a 4 volts. Why? Because we are using only the 2 resistors. So that's what we are getting only the 4 volts. If we are using the 3 10K resistor, we are getting the 6 volts. Okay, now this is about the inverting adder by using the operational amplifier. Thank you.